Customers are increasingly curious about where their food comes from, and as a food producer, you have the opportunity and the responsibility to let them know. But how do you get the right information on the label? With ATS MeatIT. The process starts as soon as the truck carrying the livestock arrives at the production facility. The truck and livestock information are registered and cross-referenced with the production plan, and health and HACCP checks are carried out before the livestock is unloaded. Once unloaded, each animal will be checked again individually to guarantee the best quality and highest level of food safety. In the production facility, the livestock becomes meat. At every step of the process, further checks are carried out, such as double-checking the country of origin and country of birth against a government-controlled central database. Health and safety officers check the state of the carcass and its intestines, and if anything is wrong, it's registered in ATS MeatIT and the carcass won't be used for human consumption. After the inspection, the carcass is weighed and classified to calculate how much to pay the farmer, and ATS MeatIT uploads the results to a central cloud service. While the carcass is in the cooled storage area, you have the time to align supply and demand. With ATS MeatIT, you can assign every piece of meat to a customer even before it's cut. And if a piece of meat isn't assigned to a customer, it'll go into stock. But if a customer is found before cutting it, ATS MeatIT will automatically reassign it. It's just-in-time delivery at its best. When the carcasses are ready to be cut, the RFID tag is scanned and ATS MeatIT tells them exactly how it should be divided and where each cut of meat should go. And no matter where the meat goes, the secure track and trace capability of ATS MeatIT will ensure that it will always be linked to the original carcass. By fully integrating with your production line, ATS MeatIT has a complete picture of what's happening within your production facility. This allows your production management system to make decisions in real time and improve the speed and reliability of your production process. When it's time to send the final product on to customers, ATS MeatIT ensures that every item reaches its destination on time as described. The accumulated traceability data, as well as the results of tests and checks, can also be made available through the cloud so that everyone in the supply chain can be assured of a quality product. You can even keep your customers updated on their orders in real time so that they know when to expect delivery. ATS MeatIT is a complete meat production solution ready for smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 that will give you confidence in your product and your consumers' confidence in you. ATS – Smart Manufacturing and Industry 4.0 Solutions. Our experience, your success.